freestyle rules. He forgot to tell us.
Hey, Regal, let me ask you a question. Out of that 987 combined weight, how much of that is Mark West?
Mark West?
Corino and Mana going right after each other. I think they're sparking up an old rivalry, which they had several battles here in Philadelphia.
The only thing Mike Keener's going to do in this one is count to 3. There's no rules. Meanwhile, Anderson is beating on Spitz outside the ring. I have a feeling action is going to go everywhere in this one. Jack Victory just toppled Mark West.
Down to Mark West.
Now Mana and Corino in the crowd. Spine buster.
Victory's using the belt on Mark West right in the head.
Who?
Jack Victory's hitting Mark West in the head with that belt. About 8 shots he gave him by now. The whole match when I do it. Mana just took a boot to the head from C.W. Anderson.
Oh, Greg Spitz just got a chop from C-Dub.
Chop from C.W.
That's what I just said.
I said that too. Something like that.
Extreme Horseman now. Double team. You know, I heard they had especially reinforced the ring for this matchup.
Yeah, but look at Corino's gut. What do you think?
Those punches aren't affecting Mana at all. You can't hit a Polynesian in the head.
No. And you can't hit a Corino, but you can't hit a Corino in the chest. Apparently. Mana is just a brutal warrior.
Where's that stick he usually brings out? I'm surprised he didn't use that yet.
He brought it out somewhere. He just took a nice chunk out of Corino's forearm with his teeth.
Right now, Mark West and Spitz are trying to take a chunk out of Corino in the corner.
Mark West, the size of 8 guys. You got about quadruple teaming over there.
His quads are really 8s. Nice teamwork. They aren't the tag team champions for nothing. Spitz, of course, holds 2 victories over Corino, both times after that package pile driver.
Speaking of victory, Jack Victory's getting on referee Mike Keener for not breaking. I mean, this is an E-style rules match. You can't really break up, what's going on in the corner. I mean, the ref doesn't have much say in that.
I think maybe the signals are a little crossed here.
What signals?
I don't think Keener realizes that it's anything goes.
I don't think Jack Victory realizes his man's getting beat up and he's clapping. Yeah, Mana's just going to work in the head of Steve Corino.
I think we've seen 3 or 4 tags from the team of Spitz, Mest, and Mana, but Corino hasn't been able to tag out yet. Series of shoulder tackles in the corner. Mana now choking Corino out.
CW is chasing Greg Spitz almost to the back dressing room.
Meanwhile, there was no tag there.
There was a tag, I saw it.
Body scissors.
trouble. Spitz trying to tag out here.
No, he's trying to get some assistance.
Mana and Mark West are grabbing. They're giving Spitz more leverage on this. Corino's definitely feeling it.
Wait a second. Here it comes. Oh, the Wild Wild West.
Splash. Corino fell. Oh, 3,617 pounds of that.
Corino's as flat as a Western omelet right now. Somehow he's finding the energy to punch back, but Mana just takes him down with a headbutt.
Getting hit with a headbutt from Mana is like getting hit with a baseball bat from a normal person. It's like the guy's got a steel plate in his head that it just happens to be skin colored. Got that Polynesian nerve hold deal. Corino's trying to attack whoever he can.
Big clothesline, both men down. I think Corino got the worst of it though.
Oh, I don't know. Mana looked like he started to get up, but his head was still a little bit shaky.
Corino's in the wrong part of town if he wants to make a tag. Oh, wait a second. C.W. Anderson in. He's had issues with Mana as well.
Tag C.W. and he's going after all three of these guys.
Big left hand for Mark West.
And Mana.
Hip toss attempt blocked.
Mana cuts him down with a beautiful clothesline. I think Spitz doesn't know what's going on right now.
I don't think C-Dub was thinking too much there, trying to hip toss the massive Mana. Meeting of the minds. Mest and Mana have had their issues before.
Jack Victory is in there taking care. Big right hands on Mark West and Mana. Oh, C-Dub comes from out of nowhere and takes, oh.
I think this thing's finally breaking down into the E-style rules.
Keenan doesn't know what to do or who to yell at or what.
Anderson gets introduced to the ring post.
West's going to attempt to run.
Oh, instead he catches Mana. It's only so many times.
Spitz is watching his tag team partners go at it with each other.
There's only so many times you can have accidents in the ring. These guys just don't like each other now.
Accident in the ring.
I think Sid did once.
Oh, that kind of, all right. Thought you meant a bowel-related accident.
Greg Spitz showing some allegiance to his tag team partner, turning their backs on Mana. Once again, the Wild Wild West in the corner. Super kick to the sternum. Notice they're not hitting him in the head. Wisely done.
Oh, double super kick after he took two others already.
Jack Victory building up ahead of steam. Big old school elbow drop. 1, 2, 3, that's it.
Greg Spitz and Mark West are out of here. They just took off. They left their tag team partner Mana in the ring. Just to be victimized by these three. I don't even know what to call them.
Your winners, Jack Victory, C.W. Anderson, and Steve Corino.
What do we have here? A little mutual admiration society here between CW Anderson and Mana.
I don't know if these guys are friends or what, but I do have common.
Doesn't look like Corino and Victory want any part of this.
I don't see Mana and Corino ever.
Oh, wait a second. They changing their minds? Mana leaving them out to
Mana
hang.
doesn't want anything to do with Corino or Jack Victory. CW, he shook his hand. You know what it is? They may not be best friends, but they definitely have common enemies.
We're going to need special reporter Steve Goff to get some more information on this situation.